If you want to be consistent snooker player, you got to have good aiming and cue action. In this practice video, I will show you straight shots with my closed eyes. I will give you tips about pre-shot routine, shot approach and cue action. If you want to improve your snooker game and take your game to another level, watch this video to the end.
On this episode, I will show you how to aim with the closed eyes. I will show you how to do it correctly and execute in the right way. I have a straight green ball, and I want to show you that shot approach is very important to have straight cueing as well. So first, I look into the aiming line, so straight bang to the green ball center. I putting my legs and then I putting my cue and then I'm laying down. I ask myself if I'm aiming right or not. If I feel that I'm not aiming right, then I go back and do the shot approach again. So right now I'm just gonna show you an example. For the educational purposes, let's play only stunt shot. So okay, I do my shot approach. I feel that I'm aiming right. I'm closing my eyes. I do my backswing and play the ball. So that means my aiming was good. I potted the ball. Bad example of bad aiming.
If you want to improve your aiming, cue action, cue ball control, tactics and mental game, book online snooker coaching with the professional ABCA snooker coach Vilius Schulte-Ebert.
As you can see, the green ball was into his spot, and after the shot the cue ball stopped here. That means I know that I hit the green ball into this part of the table, and I have to correct somehow. You have a better feeling how your cue goes. So this is the perfect way how to learn and feel your aiming and cue action. So I'm gonna show you more examples with my closed eyes. I do my shot approach. I think that I'm going to pot the ball. I do my last backswing and shot. And I know that this is the good aiming.
Right shoulder and elbow is straight behind the head. Grip hand has a correct shape and position. It helps me to have straighter cue action and deliver cue on the straight line. Of course, players are different, so use a method whatever makes your cue action straighter and smoother. But for me personally, it works well.
Wish you best of luck and see you on the next episode.
Guys, smash the like button, ring the bell if you want to see our videos first, and if you are committed snooker fan or player, subscribe to our channel. See you later, folks!